get started. All right, Ms. Clemens.
All right. Good morning, Woodlynde School. We are here today recording our final student-run assembly. And so it's a little bit bittersweet as we end our distance learning assemblies with our students. And the first thing I wanted to say is thank you to all of these students who have been with us each week as we have created these videos to share with you and to have more of a sense of community for our assemblies. It's been awesome working with all of you. You've been so much fun. And thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule to spend time with us and to share with your peers in these assemblies. So thanks so much, guys. We really appreciate it. And today's assembly, our message from each of the students is out to our seniors. So a shout out to all of you for congratulations. You guys are amazing. We're so proud of you. You have pushed through in your senior year through this distance situation, and you've done it with grace and with grit. We are so proud of you. Last week, it was awesome to see each one of you when we were able to drop our gifts at your house and to see each of you. We're so proud, and we can't wait to see what you do next, because your next leg of your journey is going to be amazing. So congratulations. And now, Mateo.
I just want to say that the class of 2020, you did a great job by being a role model for all of us in the Woodlynde community. I know a good amount of the seniors. Shout out to Kendall, because he was always a great friend and a great role model. He always used to say hello to me in the hallway. I just want to say a shout out to him and a shout out to everybody in the 2020 class, that wherever your path leads you, it'll be great for destiny.
Thanks, Mateo. Michael?
Congrats to the class of 2020, and I wish you luck and success in your college years and beyond. And feel free to visit Woodlynde anytime.
Absolutely. Gavin?
Yeah, congrats on graduating this year. I know it must have been difficult considering all the stuff that's going on. And I hope that next Friday your scheduled graduation goes very well.
Thank you. Jameson?
Seniors, you should be really proud of yourself. Especially you learn from a distance. It is really tough, and you like power through it, and like Mateo said, all these seniors are role models, and I will miss them so much.
Thank you so much, Jameson. Emma?
Yeah, I think congratulations to the class of 2020. Yeah, times have been tough due to the coronavirus, but yeah, I hope the graduation goes well. Yeah.
Thanks, Emma. Phoenix, what's your message?
So even though I've only been here for a year and I'm a lowly freshman, they've really defied my expectations for how I was going to be treated. You always hear like these horror stories, like I got warned by so many people where it's just like, oh, you're a freshman, everyone's gonna hate you. And like, especially from the senior class, they're just like, nah, dude, you're cool. Like, let's hang out, let's do this song together. You guys were always so welcome and open and just fun to be around. And I'm gonna miss you guys, and I really hope you all the best.
Thank you, Phoenix. Aaliyah?
I wish the class of 2020 good luck, and I hope your graduation goes well.
Thank you. And Grayson?
Congratulations, class of 2020. I know it's not how you planned, but you pushed through this and did a great job. I'm going to miss you, and I wish you well wishes through college and beyond.
Thanks so much, Grayson.
You're welcome.
Thank you, kids. That was awesome. As usual, we really appreciate your time. Seniors, my message to you is we miss you, we love you, and we're keeping our fingers crossed that we'll see you on July 24th for a live commencement. no matter what happens, please come back and visit us. Congratulations. I have a couple of birthdays to celebrate. On May 30th, please wish happy birthday to Mrs. Moldavsky. And on May 31st, happy birthday, Katie Doherty. And she shares a birthday with Gabby Gigliotti. Happy birthday. Make it
Happy
a great day,
birthday.
everybody. See ya. Happy
Bye.
summer.
Bye.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.